Hello friends, on today's video I'm going to talk about how to record screen of iPhone and iPad. It is really a simple process, but many of us end up recording screen without audio. So there is the question, how to solve it. On this video I'm going to tell you everything in detail, and I hope it would help you to solve this issue. So let's get started. At first you need to go to your home screen, and from there you need to go to the control center, and simply you need to press on this button to start recording the screen. But the problem is, in this way you will just end up recording screen without audio. So how you are going to get audio with your recording? So if you press on this recording option and hold it for a while, then you will see this microphone option here, and as you can see it is turned off right now, so we'll have to turn it on in order to get voice, in order to record our voice as well. So turn it on and then start recording, and I hope then it would work.